guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Diecast Chronicles. Today's video is a bit different and I would urge the viewers to watch the video till the end and please support me. This is a very high time that we speak about it. If we do not address the issue now, it will be very hard for collectors like you and me to collect Hot Wheels. And mind you guys, this is happening in many places. Many of you would have come across it. So please watch the video till the end and do support me. It means a lot. So let me tell you what is happening. I get a lot of comments to do a video about this. So I'm finally doing it. So the thing what is happening is before COVID era, everything was pretty fine. There was not much demand for Hot Wheels and even shops had stocks which are like 2 to 3 years old. But then the scenario changed when Hot Wheels came back after COVID. And Hot Wheels was banned in India for I think around 3 years. And after 3 years they finally came back in the year 2023. So this is when it all started. So that's when Hot Wheels started getting scalped. And mind you guys, before the COVID era, Hot Wheels were on the pegs. But now in many of the places you do not find Hot Wheels on the pegs. Either it is stored somewhere else, or either they refuse to give it to you. So I tell you one of the experience that I faced just a few weeks ago. I won't take any names because it will be like only targeting towards one store. This is happening in multiple stores, so I would like to keep it in general. So what happened there was, so my friend, he was passing by and he just saw that new Hot Wheels were there. So he called me and he's like, hey look, there's new Hot Wheels there. So just go give it a look. You may find what you like. He's not a Hot Wheels collector. So then me and my friends, we went to peg hunting and astonishingly we were actually very sad because this is what happened there. We went there so that we can find new Hot Wheels or the cars that we are missing. But when we went there were no Hot Wheels on the pegs. They did have a lot of 5-packs, like in many of the places they do have a lot of 5-packs, but no Hot Wheels single pieces were on the pegs. So then when we asked like where are the Hot Wheels, they're like, no, we cannot sell it to you. So then I'm like what is the reason? So then they're like, no, they get a lot of online orders and they need to fulfill it. So my first suggestion is that to any store, if you're getting online orders, keep it completely online and do not give it to anyone who have come for the offline peg hunting. I'll tell you another reason why I'm telling this is that when I went there were other people who already had Hot Wheels, but then the stores were refusing to give us Hot Wheels, and then they were telling they cater only to certain amount of people. So again, do not differentiate between the collectors, treat everyone equally. Then second suggestion is that, so these stores, they store Hot Wheels in big bags. And in this matter of time, what happens is that the Hot Wheels cards get damaged. So these stores do not understand what happens to it. Many collectors, they do not buy the cards which is damaged or bent. So again, that is a loss for you. Instead, you hang it on the peg. So we collectors, when we come, we want to do the peg hunting. But when you store it in your back end and when you refuse to show, that essence of peg hunting is lost. But if you like hang it on the pegs, the collectors, we eagerly go through all the racks and the cards won't get much damage like how it gets damaged when you store it in bags or boxes. So this scenario is happening in many stores and I'm pretty sure many of you would have faced it. So please do watch my other videos and follow us on Instagram. There's everyday new reels and posts which is coming up and we are continuously doing it. And please do check out my other videos and please share this channel across. And guys, I'm setting a goal for this month. So by the end of this month, we need to reach 500 subscribers and I need your help to reach that. So I would urge the viewers to please share my channel and stay tuned for much videos. Guys, thank you.